Deepa here. My daughter Avya is a 4th grader with Kunskapsskolan Bengaluru, and she's been with the school since her kindergarten days. I'm a working parent and a big fan of the KED principles. It has really helped my daughter become a self-learner. She's very clear on what she has to plan for the week based on the goal sheet that she gets. There are workshops which help her revise or clarify doubts that she has for any particular subject. These workshops are managed by subject matter teachers. So, it's very helpful to reinforce the learning or clarify any doubts. As such, she doesn't get much work back home, and I don't have to spend time on a daily basis, which I think is really a boon for working parents. On a weekly basis, I do sit with her on weekends, to check where she is, and if I see there are some knowledge gaps, and I give her a choice whether I should teach her or should you go back to your workshop and get the clarification from the teacher. She always chooses the latter, which I think is really good.